The Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol is your ticket to the world of cutting-edge shotguns. If you're a shotgun enthusiast, you're in for a treat. Beretta, a name steeped in history with nearly 5 centuries of firearm excellence, brings us this intriguing offering. When it comes to shotguns, Beretta stands as a formidable titan known for its unwavering commitment to innovation and quality. But what sets the A300 Ultima Patrol apart from the crowd? That's the question we're here to answer. We're on a mission to dissect this shotgun, exploring every nook and cranny and determining if it genuinely lives up to its reputation as the best combat shotgun for the price. Beretta's reputation in the firearms industry is nothing short of legendary, and the A300 Ultima Patrol is yet another jewel in their crown. So if you're in search of a shotgun that's as versatile as it is accurate, as dependable as it is user-friendly, then you're in precisely the right place. Let's dive right in. Background of Beretta. To truly appreciate the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol, it's essential to take a step back and delve into the illustrious history and reputation of the company behind it. Beretta's story is one that spans nearly 5 centuries, making it one of the oldest firearm manufacturers on the planet. This rich history isn't just a point of pride. It's a testament to the company's enduring commitment to excellence and innovation in the world of firearms. What sets Beretta apart isn't just its age. It's the unwavering dedication to pushing the boundaries of firearm design. Since its inception, Beretta has been synonymous with quality, innovation, and reliability in the firearms industry. This reputation is rooted in centuries of experience and a relentless pursuit of crafting exceptional firearms. One of Beretta's standout features is its open slide design, a unique characteristic that sets its handguns apart from the rest. This design is just one example of the company's unyielding drive for innovation, a commitment that extends to all their products. It's important to recognize that Beretta isn't just a name, it's a legacy. When you buy a Beretta firearm, you're investing in a tradition of craftsmanship that dates back to 1526. This legacy forms the backdrop against which the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol emerges. The company's long-standing reputation for quality, innovation, and reliability isn't just a point of pride. It's a guarantee that the A300 Ultima Patrol is built on a foundation of centuries of knowledge and expertise. Now that we understand the weight of the Beretta name, let's explore why the A300 Ultima Patrol is such a noteworthy addition to their storied history. Features of the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol. Let's roll up our sleeves and dive deeper into the features that make the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol a standout choice in the world of shotguns. First up, versatility. This shotgun is like the Swiss Army knife of firearms. It can be your trusted companion in various shooting scenarios. Whether you're into breaching, bird hunting, or general hunting, the A300 is designed to adapt seamlessly. Its versatility is a major plus, allowing you to invest in a single shotgun that can handle a range of tasks. Now let's talk about choke swapping. This feature might not sound as flashy as a tactical optic, but it's incredibly practical. Swappable chokes allow shooters to fine-tune the spread and pattern of their shots. Why is this important? Well, imagine you're hunting waterfowl one day and then transitioning to a sporting clays range the next. With the A300's swappable chokes, you can optimize your shotgun for each scenario. It's customization at its finest. When it comes to accuracy, the A300 Ultima Patrol is no slouch. Even though it's compared to the Beretta 1301, which has a reputation for precision thanks to its longer forcing cone, the A300 holds its ground. The shotgun delivers admirable accuracy, especially when loaded with full-power buckshot ammunition. So whether you're aiming at clays or a home defense target, you can count on those shots landing where you want them to. Now let's turn our attention to the handguard. It's not just about aesthetics, it's a crucial component for control and comfort during shooting. The A300's handguard boasts an aggressive grip, ensuring you maintain a secure and comfortable hold on the shotgun, even in intense shooting situations. But there's more. It comes equipped with a quick detach (QD) sling slot. This is a practical addition for those who need to attach and detach slings swiftly. It enhances the shotgun's usability in various shooting scenarios. However, let's not sugarcoat it. There's a small fly in the ointment. While we appreciate the QD sling slot, there's a critique to consider. The QD mount on the handguard is freely rotating. This means your sling could get twisted up during rapid movements or transitions. It's a design consideration to weigh against the shotgun's other fantastic qualities. Last but not least, ease of loading. This aspect often goes unnoticed until you're in a high-pressure situation where quick reloading is crucial. The A300 addresses this by offering a straightforward loading process. It's a small detail that can make a big difference when seconds matter. In a nutshell, the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol is loaded with features that cater to the discerning shooter's needs. Its versatility, accuracy, and usability in different shooting scenarios make it a reliable choice. Shooting experience and performance. Now let's shift gears and talk about what matters most when it comes to a shotgun, how it performs in real shooting scenarios. First things first, it's important to set the stage. Beretta sent this shotgun for testing, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the A300 Ultima Patrol. But what really caught our attention is the sheer volume of rounds that have been put through it. 3,000 rounds of full-power slug and buckshot ammunition. That's no small feat and a testament to the shotgun's durability and reliability. Let's address the elephant in the room, recoil. The A300 Ultima Patrol has a gas system that's a bit simpler compared to its cousin, the Beretta 1301, which is known for its softer recoil. As a result, you might notice a slightly stiffer kick when shooting the A300, but, and this is a significant but, it's by no means a deal breaker. The shotgun's performance remains steadfast, and the recoil is entirely manageable. When it comes to speed, the A300 doesn't disappoint. The testing team threw some challenging drills at it, and guess what? They couldn't outpace the A300. Speed is a critical factor, especially in dynamic shooting scenarios. The A300's ability to keep up is a big win for those who require quick follow-up shots. Now let's revisit the comparison with the Beretta 1301. One key difference is in the barrel lengths and forcing cones. The 1301 boasts a longer forcing cone, which, in theory, can contribute to slightly better accuracy. However, don't jump to conclusions just yet. The A300, even without the longer forcing cone, holds its ground impressively. When loaded with full-power buckshot ammunition, it delivers accuracy that meets the mark. Finally, let's talk user-friendliness. Loading a shotgun might seem like a mundane task until you're in the heat of the moment. The A300 has you covered with an intuitive loading process. Quick and easy loading can be a game-changer in tactical situations where every second counts. In the realm of shooting experience and performance, the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol earns its stripes. It's a reliable, speedy, and accurate shotgun that doesn't let you down, even if it has a touch more recoil compared to its softer sibling, the 1301. Whether you're in a competition, out hunting, or preparing for home defense, the A300 delivers where it matters most. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've taken a deep dive into the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol shotgun, exploring its features, shooting experience, and overall performance. So what's the verdict? Is it truly the best combat shotgun for the price? The shotgun's ergonomic handguard design, complete with an aggressive grip and quick detach (QD) sling slot, adds to its usability. Although there's a minor critique regarding the freely rotating QD mount, it's a design consideration that potential buyers should weigh against the shotgun's other strengths. The shooting experience and performance are solid, with the A300 holding its ground even when compared to the Beretta 1301. The stiffer recoil is a minor trade-off for the shotgun's reliability and speed. It's a dependable choice for those seeking a versatile, accurate, and user-friendly shotgun. So, is the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol the best combat shotgun for the price? Well, it certainly offers a compelling package, ticking many of the boxes that discerning shooters look for. Ultimately, it comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you found this review helpful and informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to stay up to date with more firearm reviews and insights, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for joining us, and as always, stay safe out there.